Hello! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install ChromeDriver using CMD. Let's get started. Open CMD. First, open your CMD terminal. Navigate to your directory. Use the cd command to navigate to the directory where you want to install ChromeDriver. Install Puppeteer Browsers package. Next, we need to install the Puppeteer Browsers package. Type the following command and press enter. npx at Puppeteer Browsers install ChromeDriver at latest. Confirm installation. If prompted, confirm the installation by typing Y and pressing enter. Wait for installation. The script will download and install the latest version of ChromeDriver. Wait for the installation to complete. You'll see a message indicating the installation path and version. Verify installation. Finally, you can verify the installation by running the following command: npx at Puppeteer Browsers ls. This will list all installed browsers and drivers, including ChromeDriver. And that's it. You've successfully installed ChromeDriver using CMD. You can now use it for your automation projects. Thanks for watching.